Bags can either make or break an outfit. Gals who are into bags know this fact and are very much careful in picking up the bag that could suit their outfits. If you are someone who is greatly into fashion, you probably have the feeling of lusting over gorgeous trends of bags. People, particularly women, always look for something fresh that will complete their wardrobe. It's a constantly emerging trend each year. And this is what women look forward to. As the year starts, new designs of handbags and purses will definitely entice the craving eyes of fashionistas. Like other kinds of fashion, footwear, and clothing, the trend of bags is another work of history. It comes and it goes and it comes back. What makes it fresh is the color and outfit it perfectly goes with. To make your whole year fashionably perfect, get to know the emerging trends of handbags and purses for this year. Clutch handbag. It's the hottest shape of the year. Grab one for your own. With this vintage and retro-looking handbag, you will definitely sport a flair for an antique style. A clutch handbag is perfect for ladies on the go. Many businesswomen like it because they can just take it anywhere they go. This small cute thing is actually big enough to hold your things. Patent handbag. It's a chic handbag for everyday use. Whether you would like to go on a formal meeting or spend a night out with your friends, this patent handbag goes perfectly with any occasion, smooth or funk. Mini handbag. You were drowned by last year's huge bags. Now is the time to go mini. Get the basics, put them inside your mini handbag and you are ready to go. Metallic handbag. With its luster, no wonder it's been coming back the trend. Just pick some fabulous color and have a refreshing look at the metallic trend that's been a part of the past. Convertible handbag. Hang it across your body or over your shoulder or use it in a handbag mode, it doesn't matter. This gives the lady the always prepared effect. Convert it, pull the strap longer and you are on the go mode. Convert it and pull the straps shorter and you are now in the chic mode. Pocket handbag. Women are fond of small things in nature: wallet, coin purse, keychain, mobile phone, organizer and others. But the thing is, women are also forgetful in nature. Thus a pocket handbag is perfect for these women. With lots of pockets in it, all your small things have space without giving you the hardship of looking for them inside your bag. White handbag. With all the different colors that go along with the trend, white stands out. Nothing feels fresher than carrying with you a clean white handbag. It's trendy and refreshing. Oversized bags. The trend changes very often. However, there are always some that do not go with the change. Still, some shapes and sizes remain every season and oversized handbags are one of them. Nothing beats a bag that carries everything you need. It is perfect for those who love to work and those who are always on the go. Put some pieces of your shirt, towel, personal hygiene necessities, cosmetics and even one extra pair of shoes and you are ready to go. Remember that a handbag is a big part of one's outfit. It should fit your body type. Being in the trend is a plus, but check if it's right for you. Don't be shy to try on these handbags at the store. Check if it looks good on you and if it feels comfortable wearing it. If not, don't hesitate to try another one. Do not forget that bags can actually flatter your looks as much as a pair of jeans does. Moreover, bags do not ruin your looks. So put some sense of style and taste when picking a bag of your choice. You already know the hottest handbags of the year. Now is the time to check your wardrobe. Do you have them? If you do, check if the color goes with the trend, take them out and give some refreshing look on them. But of course, fresh is fresh and fresh is new, and be fresh by checking out some of the hottest bags this year. You worked hard last year and it wouldn't harm you to reward yourself at the start of the year with some of what a woman like you fancy most, and if you know someone who is a bag lady, perhaps your mother, sister, wife or girlfriend, make her happy by giving her one of the hottest bags this year. It will surely paint a smile on her face.